following is a wind advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Eastern Will, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Northern Cook, Northern Will, Southern Cook and Southern Will, and Lake, Indiana. What? West to northwest winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour expected. Localized gusts to 55 miles per hour possible and showers. Where? Portions of northwest Indiana and east central, north central and northeast Illinois. When? From 3 p.m. this afternoon to 3 a.m. Saturday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Also, travel could be difficult in high-profile vehicles. Additional details: localized areas of stronger winds in excess of 55 miles per hour are possible in conjunction with the scattered rain and snow showers expected this evening. Sharply reduced visibility will also be likely with any of the more vigorous snow showers and squalls this evening. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The following is a wind advisory.